Hi everyone, welcome to Recipes and Vlog with Swati. My name is Swati and today in this video I'm going to tell you everything related to family joining visa. So this is a very common question. Many people are asking me this particular question, that how much time it take to call your family when you join in Oman, and what are the formalities, who will initiate this process and how to initiate this process. So I'm about charges also. So I'm going to answer you everything related to this particular topic, that how you can call your family here in Oman. Other than that, who is included in your family, if your parents, your children, and all those questions I'm going to answer you. So make sure to watch this video till end, and if you like this video then make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel and share this with your family and friends. With this, let's start with the topic. So first question is, what is family joining visa? Family joining visa is a visa which is issued to expat's wife and children. Children here are below 21 age, and parents. So parent clause I will cover in the end, and I will answer you that in what condition your parents can join under family joining visa. So for kind of visa, first and very important thing, that this visa is valid only for 2 years from the date of stamp on your passport. Second, this visa is for multiple entry. So you can go to India or to your country and then you can come back. So this is like multiple entry visa. Now the requirements. So this is very important. First condition of this joining visa is expat should be in senior level of job as per GCC standard. Second, expat who is calling his family must be living in the rented apartment in his name or in the name of his company. Third, monthly salary should not be less than 600 Omani Riyal. So these are the requirements, and if you are also planning to call your family, then make sure you complete all these requirements. Now this is very important thing. Many people are asking that how much time it's going to take that we can call our family, and how much time it's going to take in this whole process. So 2 to 15 days are like general time period, and it again depend upon your case, but generally it may take from 2 to 15 days. Now documents. So documents you can download from ROP website. ROP means Royal Oman Police website here, and you can easily download those documents, and you need to get it signed from authorized signatories and from your sponsor or your employer. Important thing, documents needed. So what all document you need? So let's see these documents. First, 2 photographs. Second, a copy of passport of the foreigner who is resident in Oman and who wants his family to join him. Third, a marriage certificate authenticated by the embassy of the wife of the expats and attested by the Omani Ministry of Foreign Affairs should be submitted. Fourth, copy of foreigner's passport should be submitted. Fifth, copy of specimen signature sheet of authorized signatories issued by Ministry of Commerce and Industries for the private sector. Next, medical certificate approved by Ministry of Health. Then copy of form approved by the Ministry of Manpower, which basically indicates your job title, salary, bank statement of monthly salary. So now let's see how much charges you have to pay. First one, 30 Riyal you have to pay for this family joining visa. Then if you are not able to renew it on time, then 50 Riyal is charging fees or delay fees which you have to bear. So make sure that you renew your family visa on time. Next procedure, how you can initiate this. So you have to submit this file in person by the sponsor, and in case of company, then authorized person can go and submit this. So here generally companies, they do have their authorized representative. In case of companies, they can go and submit it. So now, very important question, that if parents can also join under this family joining visa, like your wife and your children, they can of course join, but in case of parents, there are some terms and conditions. You should show that your parents are dependent upon you, and second thing, they can't take care of themselves. So for this, let me read you a statement. Parents of expat too can apply for the family joining visa given that one or both of them are dependent on them and can't take care of themselves. So you can definitely call your parents under this family joining visa, and the main important thing is that after that all those rules and regulations will apply on their visa also, as like your wife and children's visa. So this is about family joining visa. I hope that I have answered all the relevant queries, and in case if I missed something, do let me know in comment section. I would love to answer that. And if you find this video interesting, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your family and friends in case if they are also looking for this particular information, this will help them. And I will see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.